Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can configure the DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. So we will design one topology. In that one we are going to use the DHCP server and we will have our machine which is going to get the IP from the DHCP server. So let me design the topology. I will take switch here and I can take one server. This is a server. We will use this one and we will configure in this server as a DHCP server. So just we can say this is a DHCP server and by default DHCP configuration is there here. Just we need to enable, and if you want to modify we can modify. So let me take some device. We can test with this device and we need the cable. So I will take the cable here, and whatever the IP schema we are planning we need to assign here. So what I will do, I will say this is a DHCP server. I will write here this is a DHCP server, and here I am going to use the IP like 192.168.1.1, okay, and /24. So this will be the IP for this server. So let me go inside and configure this IP to this server. I will write 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask will come, and the gateway we don't have now router, but anyhow I will give 1.2 is a gateway, and the DNS server I will give same IP like DHCP server IP only. So this I configure the IP of the DHCP server. Then I will go to the services here. When you go to the services you will click here DHCP. When you click the DHCP, this DHCP server is off. We can click and on this one. After that you have already this pool. You can use this pool or you can create the new pool. So I will use the same existing pool here. Just I will modify here. I will write the gateway. Gateway, as we told, we will give the gateway as 192.168.1.2, and DNS as we told the same IP of the DHCP server. So I will write here that same IP 192.168.1.1, and this is a starting IP. So starting IP we can say give from 1.10. 192.168.1.10 we can say, and subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and how many maximum IP we can give up to 50. We don't have the TFTP server, we don't have the WLC controller, so we will keep this empty. Just click save. So I configure this IP. Okay, so this is the configuration of the DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. We have ready-made server. We use the ready-made server, just we configure the IP here. After that just go here and we can test, or let me move this topology here and we can go here and we can test we are getting the IP or not. Just go to the IP and then click here DHCP and check you are getting the IP. You can see here we are getting the IP from the DHCP server. Here you can see DHCP request successful done here, and all the IP we are getting. This is IP, this is subnet mask, this is the gateway, and this one is a DNS. You can go for another machine also and test this is also working or not. You can see this is also working, and you can go here to the another machine and test here also, and you can see here also working. Okay, so our DHCP lab whatever we done, that is done successfully.